Hi everyone, I am here to share our happiness and to express our gratitude because with me is the much longed for YouTube Creator Award, and this is Medcity International Academy's first recognition from YouTube, the silver play button. And like all proud owners of the silver play button, we are here to unbox this beauty. But trust me guys, getting the silver play button is no easy task. Getting 100k subscribers, 100k genuine subscribers and being verified by YouTube is no small task. Let's have a look at our journey so far.
Hi, good evening. I'm Sangeeta Gopi from Medcity International Academy.
Kannur.
Our subscribers grew, so did the likes and comments. Our YouTube journey continued. And over a span of a few years' time, we have reached a milestone. 100k plus subscribers. Thanks a ton. Well, this is our silver play button. Thank you YouTube, thank you subscribers from all of us here at Medcity International Academy.
Medcity International Academy. Trusted hands forever.